Hello and welcome back to video class with Miss Johnston. Today we're going to talk about perfect square trinomials, and that will be on page 21 in your books. Page 21. With factoring, there are three different steps. There are three main steps into factoring or doing a perfect square trinomial. And this is another form of factoring. There's three main steps, so it's on page 21. I want you to write down and know those three steps because it will help you. The first one is, I'm going to go over it really fast, is recognize the characteristics of a PST, which is a perfect square trinomial. So PST, perfect square trinomial. With them, I'm going to go 25x squared minus 20 plus 4. Okay, so you have this equation, and basically what it's saying is the characteristics of a PST, the first part of the equation, the first term and the third term are always going to be perfect square numbers. And then this middle number is going to always be the same, where if you were to square these, both of these together would equal this number. But this number, it's twice of whatever these squared numbers are. So because it's twice as much as this, how you're going to start solving it is you would do the square root of 25x squared times 2 times the square root of 4 equals 20. Because this number is twice the amount of this number and this number for the square root. I really hope this is making sense. So then you would have to turn it into a binomial, which is kind of what we did here, and you give it an equal sign. And then you solve it. So then 25x squared will equal, sorry, I don't know why I just did that. 25x squared would be 5x squared, no, because you're squaring it, 5x times 2, and then here you have the square root of 4, which is going to be 2, equals 20. So then you would have 2 times 5, which is 10, times 2 would equal 20x. I don't know what I just said. 5 times 2 is 10, times 2 is 20. So then you have 20x equals, oh, I forgot to put an x here. There's supposed to be an x there. So it's supposed to be x here, and this is going to be equaling 20x. So here, you're checking your equation. So you can't just leave it as writing a factored binomial. You actually have to solve it and check it to make sure that this is correct. Let's do one more really fast. I do want to keep the videos short so that they can load quickly. I don't want it to be too problematic. Okay, let's do on page 28. Page 28, let's do number, let's do number 13. You have x squared plus 6x plus 9. So you have your first term, you have your second term, and then you have your third term. So then you would have, x squared, 9. So 2 times both of these numbers will equal 6. So here you're doing a square root of each of these, solving it, then you're going to multiply it, and it should equal out to be the same. So then you would do it to where it would be x times 3 equals 6x. So 2 times this, so 2 times x is 2x times 3, so that would be 6x equals 6x. So then you would have it. So that would be what you would do. For homework for this part, I want you to do numbers 14. Okay, let me just make it easy. All the highlighted numbers from 14 to 28. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 of them. 14, 19, 21, 22, 27, and 28. So do those ones for homework, okay? That's your homework. Alright, have a good day. Bye. Oh, by the way, I go in for my first doctor's appointment tomorrow. So I have my first appointment tomorrow, or today your time. Yeah. Alright, bye.